In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from your PayPal account to your bank or card, step by step. First, open the PayPal app or website and log in. On the main screen, check your PayPal balance to make sure you actually have funds available to withdraw. Then go to Wallet and confirm that your bank account or debit card is already linked and confirmed. Next, from the home screen or Wallet, look for a button like Transfer Funds, Transfer Money, or Withdraw. Tap it. Then choose where you want to send the money, usually to your bank account or sometimes to an eligible debit card, depending on what's supported in your country. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, review any fees and the estimated processing time, then tap Next or Continue. On the confirmation screen, double-check the destination bank or card and the amount. If everything looks correct, hit Confirm or Transfer Now. After that, just wait for the money to arrive in your bank or on your card, based on the time frame shown. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.